This vehicle's going nowhere because the customer's chosen a Ghost 2 Pro Immobiliser for this vehicle. So this is a 2023 Jaguar F-Pace. If someone got the key to this, unlocked it, got in and started it, they've got the key in hand, they think they're away, but they're going to be unable to select a gear. We have no lights on the gearbox, it doesn't allow us to come out of park, and the vehicle's going nowhere, even though we've got the key in hand. What the customer's got to do is go for a unique code. For the video, we just have a 1, 2, 3, 4 on the windows. We'll receive a double flash from the full beam up here. And now our gearbox lights come back, we can select the gear, and we can drive off. This system self-activates, so when you turn the car off, you don't need to worry about turning the system on. It does it all itself. If you hopped out, someone got the key, went to steal the car, they start it up. These lights, as you see, have gone out on the gearbox. We're unable to select our gear, it remains in park, and it's going nowhere without the code. To get one of these fitted, you can give us a call on 0208 212 7393, or you can order through our website, immobiliserfit.com. Book your installation through there, and one of our team will be out to secure your vehicle. This is the Ghost 2 Pro on a 2023 Jaguar F-Pace. Thanks for watching.